I just felt like making a video on transits. That's in astrology. Basically, it's like 5 to 6 different regular transits. Now you got other ones that's more harder to even explain right now, but like we talking about like the basic trine, sextile, square, opposition, conjunction. Before we even start this, always remember the circle has 360 degrees in it, meaning every zodiac sign has 30 degrees in it. Why is that? Because it's 12 zodiac signs into a 360 degree circle, so 30 times 12 it give you 360 degrees. So once you always put your math mind on, you won't get lost. Alright, so the first one up is conjunction, since it's the easiest one. Conjunction is when two planets are 10 degrees within each other, or when a planet is on top of your original planet. So I'm gonna show you conjunction because I got a lot of conjunctions right now at all times. Basically, we have the Saturn conjunct Pluto right now for the whole world. So if you notice, the degrees on Saturn and Pluto are different, but they both in Capricorn, very close to each other. So conjunctions play out as a fusion of the two energies, or 3 or 4 or whatever, how much energies are right there. And it doesn't really play out as bad or good. It's more like neutral. Whatever you put out, you get back. So once you basically remember, it's a fusion. You feel me? Also, the next thing we're gonna talk about is the square. Square is 90 degrees angle. So you gotta stay inside of the squares. So I'm showing you squares already at the bottom of the screen. So like, let's just take Capricorn. If a planet, Mars, is in Capricorn right now, and then we have Jupiter inside of Aries. We ain't talking about right now for real, but we saying, let's just say, and Jupiter inside of Aries. Since Capricorn and Aries are 90 degrees angle, remember we on a circle, so we talking about 90 degrees, we stand in the square 90 degrees. So from when you making a square, from here to here is a square, here to here is a square. So Capricorn to Aries, or we could say from Leo to Taurus, or Leo to Scorpio, that'll also be a square because it's 90 degrees. And the nature of squares plays out in tension, action, reaction. It's like an emotive earthquake. That's what the keywords I'm saying. So, and also remember, the nature of a square is Mars. Mars is a very violent planet. So when you see square, you should already know that something about to go down. You treading on, you feel me? It's going down, bitch. I guess you already know the song, keep the squares out your circle. So most likely squares, like if you were Capricorn and the person is an Aries, y'all would never be able to see eye for eye. Y'all always looking at the world at a different angle. So always remember that for square. For opposition is 180 degrees. So that's directly opposite. So Capricorn and Cancer are direct opposites. Leo and Aquarius are direct opposite. Oppositions play out. The nature of oppositions is Saturn. So everybody knows Saturn is more like the judge. So it's more like everybody watching you. It's like you make a mistake and now it's on TV. So like anytime you say opposition, shit, if you're from the Bahamas or any other Caribbean island, you know that we have opposition. We don't call them Democrat and Republic. It's either you the opposition or you the party. You feel me? That's in. So think of like that. Opposition is like the people who y'all doing this, y'all doing that. So that's when that's like getting exposed. Like if you seen like Pluto opposition something, it's gonna be exposed. Somebody getting exposed. Saturn is made me play out the role of opposition. Alright, a sextile. Sextile is 60 degrees away. So if you realize, alright, 60 degrees away from Capricorn, a sextile with me would be Pisces or Scorpio. Why is that? We can just count 2 houses away, or just know all sextile go with each other. So water go with earth, fire go with air. So sextiles play out as immediate reaction, like productive, like or energy exchange, where things are going good. So like you vibing with the energies. It's like because earth need water, fire need air. So it's more like the things it's working now. That's what it's more like. Because Virgo and Capricorn, where all the rest of them are at, are all earth signs. So shrines can only meet up with other signs of itself. So Sagittarius and Aries are shrines. Aries and Leo, or Sagittarius and Leo, or all the water signs, all the earth signs, all the fire signs, all the air signs. When planets are in different earth signs, that would be called a shrine. So you can have the moon in Virgo again, and Mars inside Capricorn. They both in earth signs, so that'd be a shrine to each other. The nature of a shrine is Jupiter. Jupiter is more like gifts, blessings, health, good health, and all that. So anytime I say nature, we're talking about how it play out, and it's play out to these planets. So like when I say Mars for square, everybody knows Mars is very violent. So anytime you see a square coming up, you should already be up on point, no matter if it don't have Mars in it. Same for all the rest of them. So you have to find out the nature of all the planets and then put them, and then you'll be able to see what a square is, what the opposition is, how it play out, because opposition is Saturn, so you know how to play it.